Alright guys, what's up? I know I said the next video was gonna be a 300ZX video, and I apologize because it ain't. But over here I'm at Snake Eater house, man. You guys don't know. You guys know Snake Eater Z01. Snake Eater got the Z01, but he also got a Z06. So we twinning with the Z06s, and we're about to load up. You see, he's got the suds, and we washing. We about to go to 2K. 2K is in Dallas this year, so we're about to head to Dallas. About to get on the road. It's been a minute, man, since we did a road trip like this, especially for 2K. Last time we towed the cars or whatever, but you know what I'm saying, we got the vets out today, man, and we're gonna drive the vets down. We're gonna drive the Z's down to Dallas. So it's about, I think it's like a 7-hour drive, 7.5 hour. Really should be about 6 if we're pushing it. We're gonna see. But yeah, man, we out here. We about to get to going. We about to ride. So I'll catch up with y'all when we get on the road, man.
The coupe came with a masseuse. What that mean? That mean the C's massage. Where you at? Out of sight, but I'm still in the loop. Doing what? Calling shots in the bed with a Barbie.
And we have arrived. Made it. We're in Irving. So we're gonna load and everything, and then I gotta go pick up some stuff to help with the runs. So y'all stay tuned for that. Then we're gonna get out and get active. Alright, I said I wasn't gonna wait till we move out, but boom! There it is, man. Just washed it up. Got it cleaned. And Snaggy just washed his, so we just got done washing. I don't know if the weather gonna hold or what's gonna happen, to be honest with you. We were finna go to the track. Hold on, Delta Airlines. Yeah. We was gonna go to the track, go to SMG, but I guess we're gonna go to SMG, get that stuff situated. But we're hoping this weather holds. Hoping the weather holds, man, because it's looking a little sketch out here. We're gonna see. Hey guys, we are at SMG Speed, man. Hell yeah.
I'm trying to get away from the
Stock ZR1. That's nasty. ZR1. It is for sale. $250K.
All I can say is you a good one, because I would have drove the wheels off of it by now.
Pulling the ZR1 now.
Oh, look, boy, you gotta take your own stuff.
right, man, we out here at the dig spot. The camera angle is kind of ass, man, because there's a lot of people out here. But you'll see the cars as they come out of the group of people. So we'll catch the tail end of it, but y'all ain't gonna know what's coming till it's coming. So I didn't get a chance to film an outro or anything like that, and this is probably like 2 days worth of videos. But the dig spot was it was interesting, man. Like, it was a lot of people out there.